Hi everybody, a quick update on the BMW. Sorry for the quality, it's night, even it's 6:30. We're up north in Canada, so in December. So night comes pretty fast. So the car doesn't start and we're gonna try read some codes to see what's happening. I have the Carly adapter. I've been using this in the last 5 years, so let's give it a try. Okay, so here we have the Carly application. Oops. Let me see what we can do here. It's long, it's taking more time than usual. Oh. So finally, I was able to get some codes out of the car. 33 faults. That's huge. We're gonna go through each one and see if you guys can help. First of all, I wanna say that I found why the car doesn't start. We're gonna see in a few minutes, maybe 1 minute. I'm gonna show you what's the fault for the no starting. So the codes that the Carly gave, I mean, they're not related at all they are not the reason why the car didn't start. But there are some codes there that it really doesn't tell me anything. So I'm gonna go through each one. If you guys have any idea what that code means or what can be the reason, just please help me, and that will be very helpful for me. Here is the first section. They are related to the engine. So the first one, the CDA 025 flex rate message, it doesn't tell me anything. I don't know what it is at all. The only thing is flex rate. I think that's some kind of communication protocol or something. Actual power rack. The second one, actual steering torque, missing. The third one is missing. The fourth also. So it's kinda like something is trying to communicate and there's nothing going on. So the fifth one is the 182002 electric fan drive line, short circuit to ground. That could be a faulty fan. I don't know if maybe the fan is broken after the crash. I didn't see it. That one I will have to check. The last one, the 182004 line brake. I will have to check the plug and see what's going on there. Maybe it's only a fuse thing. I have to find out. Okay, this is page 2. The first one is related to DSC. That one seems critical. Sounds like important. Some DSC pump. There are 2 errors actually. Don't know at all what it is. I have to dig into those 2. The third one is related to the heating AC. That's not critical for a moment, so I'm gonna pass on to that one. Next page. This one is easy. The first one, TL50L, I know what it is. It's I was trying to start the car with jumping the battery, and I overload the current. that's one of the hints that give me why the car didn't start. So that one I know what it is. 80 40 95. So that's okay. Wind mirror, the next one, the D90DOA. The left mirror wing is missing, so it fell out of the accident, so that's okay. The third one, D90D37, wrong version installed. Don't know. We'll have to dig. Don't think that's critical. So that's it for this page. Next page. This one is also related to the over voltage when I was chopping the car, so that's okay. This is the last page. There's a full page of airbag codes that I'm not gonna show because there's no point to it. I have to change the airbags and reset the airbag module. I don't know if that can be done with BMW professional tools. I don't know much about them. I know that we can run them in all laptops running Windows 7. But again, that's the list of my worries for now. So that will be at the end of the project. So on the last page we have CAAC06, actual steering angle. I don't know what that means. I know that I have one steering knuckle that is broken on the left side. I have to replace it. I'm gonna show you in another video the part. So I don't know if the car can detect that there is no resistance in one side. I don't know. Hopefully when I'm gonna fix the steering knuckle that will go off. The second one, central memory is full. What I understand is the memory records past faults that are not critical, and it seems it's full. So, but again, they're not critical, so I'm not spending much time on that one. The last one, instrument cluster. System time has been reset. Don't know if that's critical or not. We'll have to dig into that one. So basically those are the codes that Carly gave. I tried to erase them with no results. So yeah, if you guys have any insight of any of those codes, please send me a private email or just put it on the BMW 2 Addicts forum, and that will be helpful for the whole community. Okay, so guys, I think this is part of the problem, maybe not the whole problem. This is the positive battery terminal. Okay, let's begin. I know that BMW, when they have a crash, they have the safety feature. It's a blown, let's call it fuse, which is a signal is sent by the air module, the airbag module. So whenever it's a crash, there's a signal sent here, and the fuse blows. So power is cut in this line. And what I did wrong at the beginning is I knew about that feature, but I thought I would be cutting the whole power of the car. But no, because there is a second line, the second one here, and this one still alive, no matter what. But this one blows. Well, supposed to. And this one is the one that goes to the front fuse compartment and to the starter. So this is the one. I'm gonna test it for continuity. If it's wrong, I have to order a new one. But I may have other problems, so let's test it. So we have to order a new one. Okay, so now I know what the problem is. So a quick fix to see if the car starts is to join the two cables together with a clamp. That will be a momentary fix because we have to order a new one for security reasons. But hey, let's try it and see if the car starts. So basically the car starts, but we have a nasty coolant leak. I'm gonna show you. Hopefully I don't think the engine overheat. It's minus what, 3 degrees Celsius now. You can see it there. It's coming from the radiator up front there. There's some sort of was hit during the accident, so it's in there. You can see it. So this is for part 2. I didn't expect to make that a 12-minute long video. Part 3 is coming in 2 days, and it's gonna be a pretty exciting one because we gonna see how the extent of the damage. So see you soon guys, and please subscribe.